Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize event marketing with Eventbrite, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To optimize your event marketing with Eventbrite, start by creating an account on Eventbrite's web. Once logged in, click on the Create Event button. Fill in essential details like the event title, date, and location. Add a clear and engaging description to attract attendees. Choose the appropriate category and subcategory for your event. Set your ticketing options, including pricing and quantity limits. Integrate promotional codes if you want to incentivize early signups. Customize your event page with imagery that reflects your event's theme. Utilize the SEO settings by adding keywords and meta descriptions for better visibility. Enable social media sharing to encourage attendees to promote your event. Publish your event to make it live on the Eventbrite platform. Share the event link across your social networks and email lists. Track your ticket sales and registration statistics through the Eventbrite dashboard. Leverage Eventbrite's built-in email marketing tools to send updates and reminders. After the event, gather feedback through post-event surveys for future improvements. Analyze your marketing efforts to identify what strategies worked best. By following these steps, you'll effectively optimize your event marketing with Eventbrite. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.